What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 6:30. Where is your father? He is at work. He is at home. Do you like fruits? Yes, I like oranges. Yes, I eat fruits every day. Where is the book? It's on the desk. It's in my bag. Do you like sweets? Yes, I like sweets. No, I don't like sweets. Where are your friends? They are in the park. They are in the classroom. Do you have a phone? Yes, I have a phone. Yes, it's a new phone. What are you writing? I am writing a letter. I am writing an email. Do you know him? Yes, he is my cousin. Yes, I know him well. Are you happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, I feel good today. Where are you sitting? I'm sitting on the chair. I'm sitting near the window. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. I like autumn. What do you see in the sky? I see the sun. I see clouds. Do you read the newspaper? Yes, I read it daily. Sometimes in the morning. Do you like reading stories? Yes, I like stories. Yes, I read stories every night. Do you like your city? Yes, my city is beautiful. Yes, I love living here. Where is your room? It's upstairs. It's next to the kitchen. Do you like your neighbors? Yes, they're kind. Yes, they are helpful. Do you like buses? Yes, I travel by bus. Yes, buses are easy to use. Did you watch TV last night? Yes, I watched a movie. No, I read a book instead. Who called you yesterday? My friend called me. My cousin called me. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. I like green too. What are you cooking? I'm cooking pasta. I'm making soup. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I like visiting new places. How was your day? It was good. It was busy. What do you do in the evening? I go for a walk. I play games. Where is your room? It's downstairs. It's next to the living room. Do you like playing games? Yes, I play indoor games. Yes, I play outdoor games. What do you hear? I hear music. I hear birds. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. No, I need 5 more minutes. How was the movie? It was very good. It was boring. What are you looking at? I am looking at the book. I am looking at the picture. What are you buying? I am buying fruits. I am buying a new bag. What are you listening to? I am listening to music. I am listening to the news. What are you drinking? I am drinking water. I am drinking juice. What are you reading? I am reading a newspaper. I am reading a story book. Where are you standing? I am standing near the gate. I am standing in the kitchen. Where are you walking? I am walking in the park. I am walking to my home. What are you fixing? I am fixing my bike. I am fixing my chair. What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my keys. Where are you sitting? I am sitting on the sofa. I am sitting in the garden. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.